welcome back to the VeeHive. Well guys, the time is here. Today is the first day of fall and it begins my Fall Home Tour 2020. I have decided to change up a little bit. I do have everything ready, but instead of giving you videos back to back, I decided to give you a video on every Tuesday. So guys, I will give you the dates and the rooms, but right after this, it will give you the complete list so you can see it for yourself. Or if it's a particular one that you want to see or you don't want to miss one, it is also on my community tab. So guys, the first area is my dining room. My dining room is today's video. So on September the 29th, it will be my living room, and I have my notes. On October the 6th will be my breakfast room and bar. On October the 13th will be my kitchen. October the 20th will be my guest bathroom. October the 27th will be my staircase. November the 3rd will be my master bedroom and bath. And also on November the 10th, guys, it will be a lot of things have changed, and it will be my complete home tour for fall 2020. And guys, that will be a lengthy, may I say, lengthy video. So guys, I decided to change up so many different things in our home. With the purge, I did sell so many items, and I flipped the money that I purged with to purchase new items. So guys, what is our fall color? Well, if you saw the clip in the beginning, you know what our fall colors are. So my fall colors are black, beige, and you know I had to have my color in there, so it is green. So it is black and beige with the pop color of green. So this color came about by my middle son, and that is Jay Leo. Last year for Christmas, we were tearing down Christmas, and he was like, "Mama, I would love to see black next year." And I was like, I'm not sure black for Christmas because I've never done a black Christmas. But I decided to bring the black into fall decor. So guys, on further ado, I'm going to stop talking. I am going to bring you into our home for fall 2020. Hello everyone, and welcome to the VeeHive. I have selected dates for my home tour for fall 2020. Listed are the dates for my tours and what area the tour will be. So hopefully I will see you. If you have not subscribed yet, please go below, turn that red into gray, and become a family member of the VeeHive.